Hi guys, good evening. May gabi man karon diri ah. So in this video, I'll be introducing an accounting software, a free one, just like Bluecoins, nga pwede nyo gamiton sa inyong business and even sa inyong personal finance. So to install, just go to Google, search Manager IO, and the first link, click ninyo. Then it will take us into their website. So this is a free software. Tapos just click Windows, then mag-download na siya. Actually naka-download na ko ani. So after downloading, inyo lang siya i-install. Then after installing, just open the app. So we'll go straight to it. Okay. So ang yan ang interface. So naa na siya nabutang diri because I had conducted as an example during a workshop. But for tonight, mag-start ta from scratch. So as a guide, kaya natin mga transactions dire nga atong i-entry unya. And take note, natay chart of accounts. Actually, si manager na siya chart of accounts pero nagan pag mga kulang. That is why we need to add some accounts. Later on, makita ninyo. So if you're new, then you just have to add a business. Ano create new business. Tapos butang na to. YouTubers. Add business. Then you will have this interface. So in the summary, actually this is a real-time balance sheet and profit and loss statement, so that every time nga mag journal entry ka, dili na nimo kailangan og ledger, dili na nimo kailangan og trial balance. It will automatically be included diri as a summary. Kita ninyo sa balance sheet as well as the profit and loss statement. So how to start? Adto ta sa settings. Adto ta sa chart of accounts. So basically, in order for you to use this software, kailangan jud nga na kay background in accounting. So with that, we have to add some accounts. As you can see, na ay balance sheet accounts, na ay profit and loss statement accounts. So balik sa tong Excel, kailangan na to for assets, kailangan na to mag-add og upat. Liability wala tayo i-add. Sa equity na tayo isa, and for expenses na tayo isa. So let's start with the accounts receivable. So add lang ka sa new account, dili sa new group sa new account. Then just type accounts receivable. Then group assets, then create. So another cash on hand. Then same assets, create, and add another equipment and inventories. Okay. And last would be the YouTube capital. Equity. Okay. So napod ta i-add niya isa ka expense account. So narita new account. Then salaries and wages. Expense. Okay. So humana ta sa ato ang chart of accounts. If you wanted to add more accounts, then na sa inyo ha. And that is why sama sa gingon ganyan na you will really have to have an accounting background for you to use the software. So after setting up our chart of accounts, we can now start the journal entries. So natay mga sample entries dire So we'll start with capital. So investment na siya. So you have started a business with 688,400. So cash. So journal entry, click nimong date kung ano sa, then to record investment. Then debit, the business received cash on hand. So kung wala ka ng setup of chart of accounts, walay cash on hand mo gawas dire. That is why you have to have the chart of accounts set up first. Then capital. 688,400. If we try to have a wrong debit or dili equal ang debit and credit, say butang nato dire 500,000. It will prompt you with an out of balance. Okay? So you have to review again kung asa ka na mali so that makorek mo siya and mawala na tong out of balance. So create the entry. Okay? After having an entry like this, if we go to summary, it will automatically update our balance sheet. Since we don't have an income statement transaction, so wala pa po siya sulod. So makita na nato sa dire, cash on hand 688, tapos equity 688,400 po. Okay? Then next one is to purchase equipment 200,000. So equipment, then cash. How much? 200,000. To purchase equipment. Create. Okay? So again, tanaw na sa summary. So nabawasan na ito ang cash and our equipment is already recorded. So let us record everything. Purchase raw materials 50,000. So inventories na lang. Then cash on hand 50,000. To record purchase of inventory. Then paid a total of 20,000 for all business permits. So debit, legal fees, cash on hand 20,000. So this is an income statement transaction. Let us check later sa ato ang summary. The record payment of licenses. Create. So ato to sa atong summary. As you can see, since we have recorded legal fee na expense, then it is already reflected here in our profit and loss statement. As for our cash, so gamay na lang jud siya kay nagpalit ang equipment, inventory as well as nagbayad tag legal fee. So in manager, retained earnings is actually separated from capital. So wala siya gina-automatically closed sa capital. So as you can see, we have a negative retained earnings here because of the expenses na walay income. Okay, let us record the rest. Paid 10,000 in marketing. Payment of marketing. Advertisement and promotion. Cash 10,000. Create and add another. Receive 200,000 for goods sold. Okay, so this is already sales. 200,000. Then sales 200,000. The record sales. Great. Again, if we try to go to our summary, our sales will immediately be recorded. So ayan, net profit of 170,000. So payment of rent. Payment of rent. Rent. How much was it? 10,000. cash, 10,000. Then, last entry, payment of salaries. Pila to? 10,000. So, salaries and wages, 10,000. Cash on hand, 10,000. Create. So again, if we go to the summary, we will have cash on hand, 588. Equipment, inventories, so retained earnings, capital, and for our profit, it's 150,000. If we try to click cash on hand, okay, example kani na figure, actually pakita niya ang iyahang ledger, okay? So makita na to ang mga debit, 688 and 200, as well as the credit. Go back for the capital, as is lang, no other capital transactions. For the retained earnings, isa lang pod, profit for the period. Okay, so ayan. So that's the first part of this short tutorial, and for other features of this software, I'll be uploading it soon. Thank you so much and good evening.